Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Atom Coin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Atom Coin has broken out a very big descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart, and at the same time, it also broke out a quite big falling wedge pattern as well. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, and the price end went very close to this next long-term resistance of $15.50. But could not hit this resistance and drop down, and now it is breaking down this very major support of $8.70 that was previously working as support here for several weeks, and before that it has been working as a support here and resistance here as well. And now the next major support will be here, that is at $6.50. At the same time, the price line is also dropped at the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now you can see that it is also likely to break down this lower bands. Previously, we broke out the lower bands and upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, but first we broke down the upper bands, and now it is testing this level of lower bands as a support, and now it is trying to break it down once again. By the way, previously we had long spikes below the support of Ichimoku, the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, but did not break it down. Therefore, there is a probability that soon the price end may be recovered back again. And in today's video, we will also analyze the support of Ichimoku Cloud. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Atom Coin that I shared, by the way, on 12th of July 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Atom Coin formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 14% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Atom Coin. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line was moving inside this very big descending triangle. By the way, this support of the triangle has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We have tested the support here, and several times here as well. And just before breaking out this triangle, the price line also formed another falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we found the support of this falling wedge here in the month of August 2022, and after getting squeezed inside this support and resistance of the falling wedge pattern and this descending triangle, the price line broke out the resistance, and so far from this low to here, it has rallied almost 131%, but could not hit this long-term resistance of $15.50, and now it is breaking down the next support. At the same time, the price line is also trying to break down the lower band support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. In case of breaking down this support, it can drop down to the next support here at $6.50. By the way, if you take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that stochastic is again entered the oversold zone. Like previously, it was entered here, and after entering the oversold zone, we received a bull cross. Like this blue line crossed up the orange line, then we can see that the price then moved up but got rejected by the resistance of this triangle and wedge. Then we again received another bull cross from the oversold zone. Then we had this rally that was almost 131%, and before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then you can see that the price and got several times rejected by the resistance of this wedge and the triangle. And before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we again had a very nice correction move, but the price and once again rejected by the resistance of this wedge and the triangle. This time, stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, there is a probability for a price correction. However, we need to keep an eye on this support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now, if we take a look at the targets for these two breakouts, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $15.50. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this big descending triangle. That target can be, by the way, here. That is approximately at between $47 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.